Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the brick corner storage recipe in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a special event that called Modular Street Festival, and at this event there's a battle pass where you can unlock lots of cool rewards. And if you want to get these rewards, brick corner storage recipe is very easy. You need to reach battle pass level 17 like this. And so how do you level it up? To level it up, you need to collect festival points like this until you can reach the level 17. And to get these points, you can get it from the town festival catalogs that available each week on here like this. Or you can also get it from the festival limited collections on here, this one, this one. And then you can also get it from the resident quest or daily quest. So make sure to keep doing the event tasks and claim all the points. And once you finally reach the level 17, you will get this brick corner storage recipe, and it will add it to your workbench automatically. And after that, you can just craft it anytime. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get the brick corner storage recipe in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.